Namaste to one and all present here. Do you know why we are here, children, today? Yes, today is our Guru Vandana celebration. Because of this pandemic time, we are doing the celebration in the online. So we thought we will show you all the school campus. It is since more than a year you'll have been to school. So let us see the view of the school. So this is our main entrance. And you will be walking inside the main entrance and coming to the school, and near the barricade your parents will drop you all, okay children, and you will be walking in the pathway, the cemented pathway, and you will move on to the corridor of your kindergarten. So let's see the kindergarten pathway, okay children, come let's go. And this is a cemented pathway, children, where you walk towards your kindergarten corridor. And you know what you all will do? At the beginning stage you will be crying, "Mommy, don't leave me and go. Daddy, don't leave me and go." But then when we come and pick you all up, you all will be ready to come inside the campus. But then later, after few days, you will not be ready to leave the school campus, because we have a big campus and you love to play, and we also have an awesome play area. I will take you all to the play area also. Thank you. Yes children, now we are in your favorite place. What place is that? Yes, your play area. Can you see the seesaw here? One foot up and the other foot down. This is the way to London town. You will enjoy in the seesaw. And here we have the swing. Can you see the swing? You will just swing up and down, up and down. And here you have your merry-go-round. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth early in the morning. Can you all see the merry-go-round, children? Yeah, you can stand on this merry-go-round and you can go round and round and round. Okay? Merry-go-round the mulberry bush, mulberry bush, mulberry bush. Merry-go-round the mulberry bush early in the morning. Yes, children, now I'm going to show you all your sliding board. Do you know how you go in your sliding board? You will climb the steps and you will just come with a swing down. You will slide down. Okay? Now we are going to show you how you will be sliding down. You can come here and you can enjoy. Thank you.
இதுவரை கண்டு மகிழ்ந்த பூங்காவில் சறுக்கு மரத்தில் உங்களுக்காக நான்.
We have our principal ma'am. Come children, let us all wish her. Namaste ma'am.
Namaste. Namaste children. I hope you all are doing good. Now today we are going to celebrate Guru Vandana, and for the past 2 years we have been celebrating it online. Last year and this year, to say. Before that we had done it for the first time in school and you all enjoyed it. So you got the blessings of our teachers, but now you are going to get the blessings from your parents. As the saying goes, Mata Pita Guru Devam. So Mata stands first. So obviously you are going to get the blessings of your parents, whereas we are not there. So now they have taken our position. So fall on their feet, get the blessings from them, and you will shine well in your future. So for this, it should not be done only for this particular day, but I would request you all, and I hope you all will be doing it all through your lifetime. You respect them and always keep their dreams come true. So that is, and you are in this school studying, so I think you will do it. With that, I would like to end this small talk about Guru Vandana, and you all know it is for Gurus especially, for that. So many more people will be talking to you, so thank you so much.
Here we have our Vice Principal, Mrs. E. Bhuvana. Let us all wish her. Namaste ma'am.
Namaste to all. Dear little ones, today is Guru Vandana, a day that shows you how much you love your teachers and the way you want to respect your teachers. Dear little ones, this day reminds you who is your Guru, who is the one who shows you the path, the one who guides you, your mentors. At this starting stage of your life, You hold their hand, and they are the one who guides you in all ways of life. One day, when you reach the height of success, definitely you will remember that they were my teachers who has made me to see this day of success. With all these words, I wish you all a happy Guru Vandana and enjoy your day. Thank you, dears.
Guru Vandana online. Today I'd like to share with you one thing, my dear children. We miss you a lot today. Children, who is Guru? The Guru, one who teaches knowledge to you, isn't it? A mother will teach you what is good, but the teacher will teach you what is good and what is bad, children. Okay? Now, why I'm standing here, my dear children? This is the place we used to celebrate our Guru Vandana. You will be in the classroom. It will take you to the corridor, and you will be walking through the corridor, and you will reach this dais. Our senior teachers will be seated on the dais. Our children, you will be getting a blessings from your senior teachers, and you will move on to the classes. So we miss you a lot today, my dear children. Happy Guru Vandana. Thank you. குருவந்தனா கொண்டாடப்படுவதை தொடர்ந்து குருவை பற்றிய சிறப்புகளை பார்ப்போம். குரு பிரம்மா, குரு விஷ்ணு, குரு தேவோ மகேஸ்வரக, குரு சாக்ஷாத் பரபிரம்மா, தஸ்மை ஸ்ரீ குருவே நமஹ என்ற பாடலின் மூலமாக குருவுக்கு எத்தனை முக்கியத்துவம் கொடுக்கப்பட்டுள்ளது என்பதை நம்மால் உணர முடிகிறது. மாதா, பிதா, குரு, தெய்வம். தாயானவர் தந்தையை அறிமுகப்படுத்துகிறார், தந்தையானவர் குருவை அறிமுகப்படுத்துகிறார், குருவானவர் இறைவனை, ஆண்டவனை அறிமுகப்படுத்துகிறார். மேலும் குருவானவர் தனக்கு தெரிந்த சகலவித கலைகளையும் தன் மாணவனுக்கு கற்பித்து இம்மண்ணில் தன் மாணவன் தலை சிறந்து விளங்க வேண்டும் என்று எண்ணும் குருவை சிறப்பிப்போம் குருவந்தனா மூலமாக. மேலும் இவ்விழா கொண்டாடப்படுவதின் முக்கிய நோக்கம் குழந்தைகள் தன் இளம் வயதிலிருந்தே பெரியவர்களுக்கு மதிப்பும் மரியாதையும் கொடுக்க வேண்டும் என்பதே. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
नमस्ते बच्चों, आप सब कैसे हैं? आज हमारे विद्यालय में गुरु वंदना मनाया जा रहा है। अब मैं आपके सामने गुरु के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ। गुरु 2 अक्षर का ऐसा शब्द है जिसमें सारा संसार समाया हुआ है। गुरु के बिना जीवन अधूरा ही रहता है। गुरु समान दाता नहीं, याचक शीश समान, दीन लोग की संपदा, सो गुरु दिन ही दान। इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं सब विद्यार्थियों को हार्दिक शुभकामना देती हूँ। आप सब विद्यार्थियों अपने जीवन में आगे बढ़ते रहे, यही हमारी आशीर्वाद है। धन्यवाद।
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఈరోజు మన పాఠశాలలో గురువందన కార్యక్రమం నిర్వహించబోతున్నాం. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొంటున్న ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయుల వారికి, నా సహోపాధ్యాయులకు, తల్లిదండ్రులకు ఇదే నా ఆహ్వానం. మునుపు ఈ గురువందన కార్యక్రమం మన పాఠశాలలోనే విద్యార్థులంతా వారి వారి గురువులకు నమస్కరించి వారి ఆశీర్వాదం పొంది ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని ఎంతో ఘనంగా నిర్వహించుకునేవాళ్ళు. కానీ ఇప్పుడున్న పరిస్థితుల కారణంగా ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని ఆన్లైన్లో నిర్వహించాల్సి వస్తున్నది. అయినా సహోపాధ్యాయులు, తల్లిదండ్రులు, విద్యార్థుల సహకారంతో ఈ సంవత్సరం కూడా ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని అదే విధంగా విజయవంతంగా నిర్వహించుకోగలమని ఆశిస్తున్నాను. విద్యార్థులందరికీ ఉపాధ్యాయుల తరపున ఆశీస్సులు. అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు.
നമസ്തേ. ഇന്ന് ഗുരുവന്ദന. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഗുരുവന്ദനയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഭാരത സംസ്കാരത്തിൻ്റെ ആധാരശിലകളായ വേദങ്ങളും ഉപനിഷത്തുക്കളും പുരാണങ്ങളും ഇതിഹാസങ്ങളും ഗുരുവിന് മഹത്വപൂർണ്ണമായ ഒരു സ്ഥാനമാണ് കൽപ്പിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഹിന്ദി സാഹിത്യത്തിലെ പ്രാചീന കവിയായ കബീർദാസ് ജന്മന അന്ധനായിരുന്നു. അദ്ദേഹം തൻ്റെ ഒരു ദോഹയിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ വിവരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്, ഗുരുവും ഈശ്വരനും ഒരേ സമയം തൻ്റെ മുന്നിൽ വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ താൻ ആദ്യം ആ ഗുരുവിൻ്റെ പാദങ്ങളിലായിരിക്കും നമസ്കരിക്കുക. കാരണം ആ ഗുരുവാണ് എനിക്ക് ഈശ്വരനിലേക്കുള്ള വഴി കാണിച്ചു തന്നത്. ഇങ്ങനെ ഗുരുവിൻ്റെ മഹത്വത്തെപ്പറ്റി പറയാൻ നമുക്ക് ഒട്ടേറെ കാര്യങ്ങളുണ്ട്. അജ്ഞതയാകുന്ന അന്ധകാരത്തെ ജ്ഞാനമാകുന്ന വെളിച്ചത്താൽ നീക്കുന്ന ഒരു പ്രകാശ സ്രോതസ്സാണ് ഗുരു. അങ്ങനെയുള്ള ഗുരുവിൻ്റെ മുന്നിൽ നമുക്ക് സമസ്തവും സമർപ്പിക്കാം. ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി എല്ലാവർക്കും ഗുരുവന്ദനയിലേക്ക് ഹാർദവമായ സ്വാഗതം.